Welcome back, guys. And right now I am just having one problem that in this mobile I usually use two sims, but here I am getting only one sim signal. The second sim signal is not coming, so this problem may come in your mobile also. That sim card is not showing. In spite of having the sim card, these sim cards are not showing in that the signal is not showing. So in my case, one signal is showing. So in that case, what you need to do, just I'm going to tell you, but before proceeding further I would like to request you kindly subscribe this channel, and please press the bell icon also, so that you, when I upload any video, it just notification will come to you. So in that case, when the mobile sim card is not showing in your mobile, the signals are not there, first thing you need to do is that restart the mobile. When you restart the mobile, 90% 80% problems will go, if that problems are related to software issues. So if even after restarting the mobile the signal is not showing, then you just pull out the sim and blow some air and then put it the sim into the mobile. So sim card tray should be fine. So in that case, if the signals are coming, then it's okay. But even if after doing that the signals are not coming, then just go to the setting, go to the sim cards and mobile networks, and here you see that this second sim is off, so just turn it on. Accidentally by any means it has on, and now you can see the both signals have come. So these are few settings which you need to do in case of the sim is not found in your mobile, the signals are not coming, the towers are not showing. So just I am repeating in very short. Just first of all, just switch off on the mobile, the problem may get solved. Second, just pull out the sim, check the sim tray and put it the sim. If in both cases it's not working, then go to the connection sim card manager and check the sim is on or not. These are simple three tricks by which you should check your mobile before going to any repair person. So that's all about today's tutorial. If you find it useful, please consider to subscribe this channel. Thank you very much, guys.